Hey guys, I'm starting a new series that focuses on working with color. For the month of June, I will be incorporating color into each of my tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a diamond pattern with a colored tassel. This tutorial also shows you how much time you will save by using 9mm string. Instead of spending quite a bit of time brushing out several pieces of 3mm string, one piece of 9mm string is used to create your tassel. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 5 pieces of 3mm string, each piece is 2 meters long. I'm using the color Peach Latte, which is available in my shop if you are interested. There is a link in the description. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Using the middle left cord as your filler cord, tie 5 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the current middle left cord as your filler cord, tie 4 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. Using the same cord as your filler cord, tie 4 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the middle left cord as your filler cord and the middle right cord as your working cord, tie 1 more double half hitch knot to connect the 2 sides. Cut 1 piece of 9mm string that is 10 inches in length. Thread the left and right ends through the diamond so that the rest string is wrapped around 4 cords. Thread the ends back through the center of the diamond. Brush out the string and trim the ends. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.